just got finished with the valve stem seals. So today I'm gonna try and pull this booster. It had the recall from BMW where they stopped the oil getting into the booster, but oil got in there, did the damage. It bleeds off vacuum, so you don't really have a booster. But I'm gonna try and do it the easiest possible way. Let's get at it. So in the car here, you got a screw here, here, and here, and one right here. So you gotta pull those out. Okay, so there is a screw right there that was hidden, and then the whole panel drops down, and you're able to pop these off. I just used this pick, super easy. And then you gotta get that pin out, this guy right here. You gotta pop that pin, and then 1, 2 bolts. Now with the bolts on the inside undone, yep, you can just pop out. I'm gonna gently pry this vacuum source off and just walk it back and forth. You don't want to put too much pressure on it, otherwise it will break. Like that. This guy unplugged. There's the old one. Interesting. So if you look inside here, here I got a flashlight. You want that rod to line up with the master cylinder rod. This one goes inside of that one. So you don't want them to bind. It'll just make it go together a lot easier. gotta whisper so you don't drop the bolts. What the hell? Why the fuck? That master cylinder, the stud spun, so I had to go get a new one the next day, put it back together. Worked out great.